In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background image on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, what we can do is we can actually just head over and you can see in here the Wix background. So you click on the Wix background right here. And then in here, you should be able to see the background itself. So click on change background. And then in here, you can see the strip background. So what you can do in order to remove it is to just choose another kind of background that you want to replace it with. So the go-getter is to head over to color and then just choose the white option. And in that way, you will be able to remove the background image and then just change it into a colored image. So once you have done that, as you can see, it will just look white right here. And you should be able to save this by clicking on the publish option right here on your Wix website editor.